Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this iPad Air 5th generation with the M1 chips in here. So this one, the regular price is $599 and currently Amazon has it for 25% off, bringing it down to $449. Okay, and as you can see right here, this is for the 64 gigabyte versions. So this is going to be super fast if you need it just to watch YouTube or even do like any other work as well too. So this one will work with the Apple Pencil as well too. It has Wi-Fi 6, Touch ID, which is excellent. I bought 2 of these for my kids, and let's see if the color variation will change the price. Oh no, so any color then I guess will be still at $449. Yeah, all colors. So depending whichever color you like, and let's see if the 256 gigabyte, see if that's gonna, if it has any promotion for that one. Nope. The 256, actually it does. The regular price is $749 and now you get it for $599, which is 20% off. And if for some of you out there might be interested in the cellular data, let's see, with the cellular and 256, you're maxed out. Regular price at $899 and now you can get it for $749. So this one pretty much go for all levels. So if you want to use cellular, you can buy the one with the max out 256, and I think you can also buy with Apple Care too. So with Apple Care for this, let's see how much it's going to come out. $828. So you're saving $149. So that's if you would be interested with the Apple Care. And this is about the iPad itself. So you know the Apple brand iPad Air, capacity 256. Let's go back down to just Wi-Fi and 64 gig. Okay, so 64 gig. Screen size is 10.9 inches and display resolution is 2360 by 1640 pixels. About these items, iPad Air series performance and thin and light design. So this one, it uses the Apple's M1 chip, so which is really fast. The only thing that this one doesn't have is like the Face ID, but it does come with Touch ID and it really is responsive. And it has Wi-Fi 6. And as far as this one, if you're doing just like the M1 chip will, I don't think you're gonna have any problem running anything, even editing too. So I do have the MacBook Air M1 chips, and I'm doing video editing on it too, but not something really heavy. And so far it's so good for me because I'm not a heavy user, but it's just for any of you guys out there looking for a cheap iPad with 25% off. But this one, I think by far, I think this is the cheapest I've seen, $449. So if you're in the market for an iPad, this is the I think this is the time for you to get one. If you have any questions, I'll leave all the link and information in the description section for you guys. And also, I'm an affiliate with Amazon, so if you make a purchase through the link, I do get a little bit of kickbacks on it. And thank you very much for doing so, for those of you who use the link. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.